Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 12 Days of SOAPMAS. Today I'm going to be fixing up my shipping shed and putting in some goodies for all of the postal workers who come and pick up and deliver packages for Royalty Soaps. Now this is not a new concept. If you've been on the internet, mainly Instagram and TikTok, you will see that there are a ton of people who make little gift baskets or put out a little goodie station for postal workers and delivery people. So I decided I wanted to do the same thing. And while this is mainly themed for the holidays, I do think I'm gonna keep it up all year round and just continue to refill the station. So this is gonna be a very casual video. You're gonna come shopping with me. We're gonna install all the decor. We're gonna organize all the little snacks and goodies, and it's just gonna be a good fun time. So without further ado, let's get started and take a peek at the shipping shed. Okay, I am at my parents' house now, so I can show you guys our shipping and receiving shed, and you can get a clearer idea of what I'm hoping to accomplish. I'm gonna show you from super far away because we obviously have some outgoing packages today, but this is what it looks like. It has a nice cover on the top of it. Those are all the packages we have received, and those are all the packages that we're shipping. So you can see we're already kind of pushing everything to the limits as it is. There's not a lot of room in there, but up here, on that area, don't you think a shelf would fit? I feel like yes, and maybe even right here on the side. I just want to make sure that all the snacks and goodies are very accessible. And then as far as decor goes, you can see my mom has some lights that she's put here for me so that I can connect some more lights and run them on the inside. I'm thinking maybe some garland around the edge, just beautify it a little bit. Of course, all of my plans sort of hinge on my dad, who's gonna have to approve the whole design to make sure that's actually going to work. And then whether or not my brother Elisha has time to build it in for me. This is not going to stop my process. Regardless of what they can accomplish this week, I'm still going to go get those snacks. I'm still going to make the goodie bags. I'm going to print out all of the things and I'm going to get everything ready to go. It's just how quickly can we get this into the shipping shed? That is the unknown. Does this store look familiar? Hello. Just the man I wanted to see, a fellow Royalty Soaps employee. I know you have building knowledge. Would you mind giving me an opinion on something in the shipping shed?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right. Okay, so picture this. I'm thinking maybe shelves along that line over there. Yeah, like, and maybe shallow, maybe. So they're not sticking out too far and they're not getting in the way of anyone putting packages in here. Do you think that's a good idea, or do you think we should put them somewhere else? I just don't know the most space efficient way to put a shelf in here.
Okay. That's not a bad idea. This is where they usually stack all their packages whenever they're shipping them out.
Right.
But yeah, a wall right here would be good. You could just put some brackets coming in. You could also use this corner since there's another 2x4 running there.
Oh.
Just put something flat.
Okay.
Because then you'd have two sides.
Right.
You have to put up less support maybe.
Okay.
But this isn't a bad side to do it.
Okay. Excellent. Just what I wanted to hear. My idea is feasible.
It is feasible.
All right. So general consensus is that I personally was dreaming a little too big. I'm realizing now that I was like envisioning an entire shipping shed full of goodies. What we really have room for is about 3 baskets holding all of the goodies off to the side, but they have to be relatively small baskets. I'm gonna go to Walmart and the dollar store to get some decor for in there, some lights. I'm going to try to get a variety of snacks and goodies. I did try to do my due diligence and look on TikTok and YouTube and a lot of online guides to see what are the most common things that delivery people really like and use. I will buy in bulk the items that they do like, and I just simply won't buy the things that they don't like over again. I will show you what I pick up in the stores as I pick them up, but I'm not going to talk in there because I am way too shy. And if worst case scenario, an employee asks me what I'm recording about, I will literally have my heart sink into my shoes. So I'm not going to do that, but I will video it so that you can see what I'm picking up. don't sleep on the dollar store. There are so many good things in there. So it's time to go assemble everything. And basically what we figured out was that we don't actually have to construct anything in our shipping shed. We just needed some sort of a tiered basket that I could shove all the little goodies into, and we can actually put that right in the middle of the shipping shed. So that's what we're going to do. I got some little baskets from the dollar store. I'm going to fill them up with all sorts of goodies. I have some little Debbie cakes. I ended up getting some drink mixes because a lot of people said that a lot of the USPS and FedEx drivers like to keep water bottles with them so they can just easily dump one of those little pouches in. I have another thing that I found that people said they really liked, and that is hot hands. They're little hand warmers you can stick in your gloves. So have some hot hands and we're gonna go set everything up. Okay, we just got everything finished in there, so I thought I would give you guys a little tour. Okay, so we put tinsel on the outside, and then we hung these little candy canes that I got from the dollar store, and some lights all the way around the entire thing. Then I printed out some things from Thread Mama. She is one of my favorite little online designers, and I think I'm gonna have to come back in with some more tape because certain things are not sticking, but it has a "We appreciate you," a little "Merry Christmas." We have a "Thank you for delivering our packages," a cute little, look how cute that peppermint is. And then of course I hung up some more of the candy canes from the dollar store. And then here's our little snack area with all of our granola bars. And I kind of wrote on the ones that were a little more obscure what is in them on these handy little clip things. We have our little hot hands right here that they can grab. And that is basically it. It would have been so much easier for me to set this up in not absolutely freezing cold, but it is done nonetheless. Oh, hi, kitty. Now, we obviously are not going to have the Christmas decorations all year round, but the whole little system of having things for all of our mail people is going to stay, and I am going to change it out seasonally, and we're going to continue to buy things to restock the little goodie bins. It's literally snowing right now, so I'm gonna run inside, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's SOAPMAS video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another installment of the 12 Days of SOAPMAS 2022. Bye for now.